Today we have a universal flip seat for a variety of manufacturers, Massey Ferguson, Ford, Case, as well as others. I'll put all the fitment in the description below. This seat has a thick vinyl material over 2.5 inches of foam, and that is all on a steel constructed back. It has a drain plug here for any water to be wicked away. And let's flip over the side and show the brackets. Coming to the underside, you can see it's all steel construction with 4 threaded holes. This includes 2 brackets, bolts, washers, everything you need to put this right on the bottom of the seat and attach to your tractor. Overall, this is a very compact and lightweight, but also very sturdy seat. You can order this seat on zbox.com. We have an easy checkout, great prices, quick delivery, and if you have any questions, call our customer service line where it would be very helpful for you guys. Thank you again.